Welcome to a video on how to replace the battery on a smart key for a Toyota, this being a 2017 Toyota Yaris, but this can apply to the 2017 and onwards models of other Toyota brands and Lexus as well. So this is for a 2-button smart key, and again this is very similar to the previous smart key video that I did, except this one takes a CR2032 battery instead of the CR16016, and there's a slight difference inside, but the process again is similar, and you can do it without tools, but I would recommend that if you can, get one of those little mini screwdrivers, electrical ones with a flat head, or a little pin to help you with the removal of the battery. So let's get on with it. First, you got that slot there, the button there where it says push. You just push that pops up like so, and then the blade comes out. So that blade has a sharp bit there, and all you do, you just put it into this slot here and then twist either clockwise or anti-clockwise, take your pick, and it should come apart like so. And then all you do is open it, and then you have the dust cover over the battery. You just open it from either side, it comes off like so, and it has, I hope you can see this, sorry, there you go, there's the orange ring to stop the dust and moisture getting in, and I hope you can see that. Ooh, let me turn it this way. There you go. CR2032 battery. And you can get these from the pound shop or from Amazon, and of course if you're in a rush, I suppose any petrol station or Halfords. So what you need to do is, ideally, like I said, in here you put in the thing, your small flathead, but I don't have it, so all you need to do, go like this, and then work your key in and gently work it open. Just work it in and it should pop out. Oops. There you go. There it is. Ta-da. Just be careful. And there's the thing. So let me get the replacement battery. So here's the replacement battery, got another one. And so the bobbly bit, that's how I say the technical, so that's the negative down, and the maker's mark and the model number showing up. Once you've done that, you put the dust cover back on, like so. And then you put this, and you know which way because it will have the little notch for where the button is, and then from the top where the Toyota mark is, you just press and it clicks and everything's there. Just make sure it works, and all you do is slot that back in, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Hope you like and subscribe, and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.